Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Coupon with Niche. If you are new here, welcome. I am currently at Publix and we are going to go through the preview deals that you could do starting on Wednesday the 19th. Okay, and these deals will run all the way until the 25th. All right, now if you're in every state except for Florida, that's where your deals will run. Now if you're in Florida, your deals are going to run on the 20th until the 26th. So let's go inside of Publix, see everything that they have for us. We do have our $10 gift card, gas card that we can get when we spend $75 on grocery, and that is going to be before any sales or coupons are applied. So keep that in mind. But y'all, we have some really good deals, so let's go ahead and get started. One thing I love about this week is that we have our classic dozen roses. They are going to be buy one, get one free, you guys. So you can pick up one of them for just half the price. So they can go all the way up to $14.99. So you can get them for about like $7.50 if you're in a half Bogo state. I always love when they have their roses for super cheap, and I always make sure to stock up. Moving on to our produce section, you guys, some of the items that we have this week are actually really good in our produce section. We're going to start off with some of our apples. They are going to be buy one, get one free. They are actually going to be on these right here. So they will be buy one, get one free tomorrow. Some other items that we have, you guys, are going to be on our watermelon. They are going to be buy one, get one free, and it is available on the small, medium, and large chunks. So super excited about that. You guys can probably see it right here. We will also have our blueberries. They are going to be Bogo. And then some of our other items, you guys, is we will have our fresh express salads. They are going to be Bogo. Let's go ahead and go over here. So these fresh express salads, you guys, they are 2 for $7 right now, but tomorrow they will be Bogo. So really going on those. And then we also have our Publix tricolor peppers. They doing a lot of setting up, y'all, so I can't go to every aisle or section. But these, let me go to it real quick. They are going to be Bogo. So make sure you look out for some of the produce items that we will have because we have some really good deals on them. But y'all, these are going to be Bogo. They are originally $5.99. So the fact that they're going to be Bogo is absolutely amazing. We will also have some of our mushrooms. They are going to be 2 for $4. Some of the Brussels sprouts are 2 for $5. So let's go ahead and move along to some of our other deals that we have throughout the store. The past few weeks, we have our General Mills cereal. They have been buy one, get one free. It is going to be valid on all of the sizes that you see here. You already know we are going to look at the ones that are priced at $4.99. And we have a few digital coupons. So we have a few dollar coupons here that you can do. And then we also have some $1 on 2 coupons. So if you are in a half Bogo state, you could pick up one of them for just $4.99. You would divide that in half. So your price will be $2.49. We have that dollar coupon on one. It will bring us to $1.49. But you guys, we have an offer on Ibotta where we're going to get 50 cents back. It is a limit up to 5 times, and it will make our final cost just 99 cents for one. Now, if you are in a true Bogo state, pick up 2 of them for $1.99, and I would use those $2 coupons that are separate. So like something like this. These $2 ones that are separate is what I would use. I would pay $2.99 out of pocket, go over to Ibotta, and I would get 50 cents back for each one, so $1 in total. It would make my final cost just $1.99. Now with school being back in session, I know these Ritz crackers are going to be a good deal, especially for snack options. We have them. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Now it is only available on the 8 or 10 pack. So make sure you keep that in mind. So the ones that are priced at $4.79 would qualify for that. So I am in a half Bogo state, so I would pick up one of them for half the price, which will be $2.39. And then I'm going to go to Ibotta, submit my receipt to get that $1 back. It is a limit up to 5 times, but it will make my final cost for one just $1.39. So this is a really good deal that you could do, especially if your kids love these Ritz crackers. Few of our condiments that are going to be BOGO tomorrow are going to be our Hellmann's mayonnaise. Now it is only valid on the 15 and 20 ounce ones. And then we also have our French mustard that is also going to be BOGO, and that's available on our 12 to 14 ounce. So make sure you are looking at the correct size because we do have an Ibotta offer. No, not an Ibotta offer, I'm sorry. We do have a $2 coupon, but it's not available on that 15 to 20 ounce. So make sure you're scanning your items correctly. Let's go ahead and move on down to our next aisle and see what else Publix has for us. Another item that you may want to go ahead and grab is going to be on our Bush baked beans. Now, it's not on just any of them. They need to be these green ones. They are going to be BOGO starting tomorrow. They are priced at $1.89. And we are going to get 50 cents back on Ibotta. It is a limit up to 5 times. So I'm going to show you all 2 different ways. I'm going to show you all if you were to get 2 of them, which is going to be $1.89 is what you'll pay out of pocket. But then you're going to get $1 back on Ibotta because you're getting 50 cents for each one, making your final cost just 89 cents. Now, if you were to grab one of them, you are looking at 94 cents for one, and then you're going to get that 50 cents back. It'll make your final cost just 44 cents. So this is a really good deal. I had no idea that they had the sidekick ones, but let me know in the comments if these are good or not. I've only had the regular Bush baked beans, so this may be something I have to try out, y'all. For my taco lovers, we have the Old El Paso products that are going to be buy one, get one free. So this does consist of the tortillas, the seasoning, the refried beans. So you can kind of mix and match this if you would like. Of course, the cheaper option would be to get the refried beans. They are going to be $2.49. And we also have a $1 coupon on 2 that is attaching. So we could pick up 2 of them for just, let's do $2.49 out of pocket. And then we have that $1 coupon. So we're only paying $1.49 with that coupon. So that could also be a really good deal. Now, if you want to do your taco shells, those will be priced at $3.09. That's the lowest ones that I'm seeing. But you could pick up 2 of them for just $2.09 with that $1 coupon. So still a really good deal. But you can kind of mix and match those if you would like. You can even do some of the sauce that you see here. So just kind of figure out what you want. But if you're having a taco night soon, this may be a good way to save on some money. If you are needing any type of shampoo, we are going to have our OGX shampoo, buy one, get one free. And we have a 4 off of 2 coupon. It's very rare that I see the OGX on sale at Publix, so this is a really good deal. So we have them priced at $8.99. That's what it will be for 2 of them. And then you're going to click that 4 off of 2 coupon. You're going to pay just $4.99 at the register. So this is a really good deal that you can take advantage of. Some of our other items that we will have buy one, get one free this upcoming week is going to be on our Duke's Cannon men products. So it looks like we have our shampoo, our conditioner. We also have some of the body wash. I'm trying to locate it, but I'm not finding it. Sometimes they like to put it on the end caps, but the Duke Cannon right here will be BOGO starting tomorrow. In addition, you guys, we also will have our Dial body wash that will be BOGO, so you could either do the men's or you can even do the women's that is down here. I'm hoping that we get some Ibotta offers or even some digital coupons throughout the week. That way these items will be super cheap, but these are going to be some really good deals you want to take advantage of. We also have our St. Ives body wash that is going to be BOGO. So if you all use that soap, you are able to do that as well. So you can get it as low as like $2 and some change, which is a really good deal. So just make sure you are looking at the BOGO items and seeing what fits for your household. That way you can save money. Some of our 1 a day women's multivitamins will be BOGO. Now it looks like it's only valid on the 60 or 70 count. So make sure that you are looking. So the ones that are like right here that are priced at $9.29, those will be BOGO. So you can get those for really cheap. But make sure you're looking at your items. Hopefully we get some Ibotta offers and some coupons. Let's go ahead and move over to the next aisle and see what they have. Oh wait, before we get to the next aisle, you guys, now these Airwick advanced ones, these will also be BOGO. So they're priced at $4.99. We don't have any digital coupons on them, but if you do need these and you need to pick up one, you can get it as low as $2.49. This past week, we had our Pamper wipes and our diapers. We had them on a promotion. This week, we will have our Millie Moon diapers as well as the wipes. They are going to be buy one, get one free. So if these are products that you use, you definitely want to stock up on them. Also, let me know in the comments, did you all get a chance to do the pamper and wipe deal, or were they completely sold out? Because they are completely out right now at my store. We do have some of the pampers left that are $3 off, but all those wipes are gone. So let me know if you were able to score. My brother is actually having a baby, so I'm definitely going to be giving them to him. But you guys, we have a good amount of Crest deals this week. So let's go ahead and kind of go through like maybe one or two of those. Starting tomorrow, again, we will have the Crest Pro Health Gum Detoxifying Toothpaste. They are going to be buy two, get $3 off. I really don't care for this deal because we can get toothpaste way cheaper elsewhere. But if you want to do this deal, you are going to get $3 off. We do have like a $4 coupon that you can use on one, but it still makes it around like $12 and some change. So I'm not really feeling that deal. But some other ones that you can do are going to be on our Crest Pro Health. It is going to be the 3.3 ounce. They are going to be 2 for $10. Let's scan this item and see if we have a coupon attaching. The good thing about the 2 for $10, you guys, is you don't have to pick up both of them to get it for $10. So they will be $5 a piece, but we do have a $2 coupon, which will make one of them just $3. Another good deal that you want to take advantage of will be on our Crest, the ones that are $2.99. Those are going to be BOGO starting tomorrow. Let's see if we have a coupon. I'm sorry, not BOGO. They're going to be 2 for $4. So we will have them 2 for $4. Let's see if we have a coupon. I highly doubt it, but if we do, that would be great. We don't, but you will get one of them for just $2. So not a bad deal either. Now this right here is probably one of my favorite deals, you guys. We have the household deal back. It is going to be spend $40, you're going to save $10. So that is going to be a Publix promotion. It's not a digital coupon. So it's going to come off when you hit $40, and that is the pre-sale price. That's before any coupons or anything comes off. So I'm going to show you a deal that you could do. That way you're putting some money back into your pocket. So first I would start off with the Febreze starter kit. They are actually going to be on sale for just $5.99. And we have a $3 off coupon that you need to clip in your Publix app. Next, I will pick up one of the Febreze Mr. Clean. They are going to be on sale for just $5.99, and we have a $2 off coupon that is attaching. For your next item, you will pick up one of the Cascade Pods. You could do either the 47, the 71, but they will be on sale for $19.99 tomorrow, and we have a $4 off coupon that you need to clip in that. You're also going to pick up some of the Dawn Platinum Plus. They are going to be on sale for $4.99, and we have a $2 coupon that's attaching to this. You all should also have a $2 coupon on some of the Dawn Power Wash. If you all don't, you guys, if you all have happened to get this little coupon booklet, go ahead and see if you have that coupon in here, because I know that they gave us $2 coupons on each item, but we are going to pick up one of these. They will be on sale for $4.99, and we have a $2 coupon. Our subtotal is $41.95. We have our $3 coupon on our Febreze. We have our $2 coupon on our Mr. Clean. We have our $4 coupon on our Cascade, our $2 coupon on the Dawn Power Wash, and then our $2 coupon on the Dawn Easy Squeeze. So we're at $28.95, and then you're going to get that $10 off. You're going to pay $18.95 for all of these products. So this is a really good deal you want to take advantage of. And once again, the $10 is not a digital coupon. It is a store promotion, so it will come off automatically at the register. For our last deal that we are going to cover, you guys, is going to be on our Lay's. They are buy one, get one free starting tomorrow. And this is a deal you can only do tomorrow. So sorry to my Florida people, but that coupon does expire on 8/19, where we're saving $1.79. So what you would do is you're going to take that $4.29. You're going to divide that in half. That will bring you to $2.14, and then we're getting that $1.79 off. You're only going to pay 35 cents for these bag of chips. So if you need chips, if you have that coupon, go ahead and grab it. But you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it was a little shorter, but I will be back tomorrow with a full video. We are going to do some transactions. We're going to go through all of the BOGOs and so much more. So let me know in the comments if you all enjoyed this video, but happy couponing.